So Gina, what are you making today?
Today I am making portobello mushroom crusted pizza. It is so delicious. I'm from the Chicago area, so I like a thick, chewy pizza, but there's a lot of carbs in thick, chewy pizza crust, but not if you use our favorite vegetable, portobello mushrooms. Those are
look
the
good.
big, giant, see how big it is compared to the size of my hand? They're huge. They are huge and they are so yummy. First, you've got to rinse the mushrooms to get them nice and clean. Then you flip your mushroom upside down. You pull out the stem because you're not going to need that. And before I do the next step, I would like to give kudos to Carrie. Carrie posted on a special Facebook group called Type 2 Diabetes Support for Women how to make these portobello mushroom pizzas. And she calls this part here inside the portobello mushroom fur. And she says, scrape out the fur. So that's what we're going to do next. So just get a spoon because you're going to need to have space. Oops. You're going to need to have space to put all your pizza toppings. Now you can make this pizza any way you want and put whatever toppings you enjoy. And if you're vegetarian, you don't have to add any meat. You could do everything totally meatless. And if you are vegan, I suppose you could use vegan cheese. I've never used vegan cheese. Jeff and I are not vegan, but we do enjoy vegetables. And when you eat a lot of vegetables, you get to eat more volume and you get more for your 400 calories, which is a bonus too. Okay, after you've scraped out the fur,
What do you got there?
take, this is olive oil spray, cooking spray, and it has, look at that, 0 calories because you're not going to use very much. You want to get a pan. You can do a metal pan or a glass Pyrex. I'm going to use my glass Pyrex today. You're going to want to spray a little bit of that on the bottom. And then I'm also going to spray the bottom of the mushroom with this just a real light coat. So it helps onion powder stick and garlic powder. If you like things a little bit spicy, you can add a little crushed red pepper too. And that's what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to sprinkle. And what's nice with onion powder and garlic powder is there's no additional salt. Here's my onion powder. There will already be some salt in your spaghetti sauce, and if you use any meat, there's some salt in that, so you really don't need any extra salt. And a little bit of red pepper flakes. So all this seasoning is on the bottom of my big thick mushroom. And then I flip it over. And next, inside here, you're going to put your spaghetti sauce. I already figured out that Jeff and I could have 3 portobello mushroom bottoms apiece. So 3 of these mushroom pizzas for lunch. I wanted it to be 400 calories, so I figured out exactly how much salami that we could put in, how much spaghetti sauce with the flavor and style spaghetti sauce I like, and how much cheese I would like. And it added up
just about 400 calories there, Gina.
Yeah, $3.99. So it's just a perfect 400 calorie meal. And different, like I say, different spaghetti sauces will have different calorie counts. Just read your labels and see how many calories are in a serving. My favorite sauce is Prego flavored with meat, but you can, like I say, you can make this totally vegetarian and just use a marinara sauce. Okay, so I have figured out that each of these mushrooms can have a 1/4 cup of sauce. And if you don't use meat, you could actually use extra cheese because you would have enough calories available to add extra cheese. If if you wanted to. Yep, see how that just fits nicely? There's plenty of sauce. It'll be nice and saucy. And I'm also preheating my oven right now to 350 degrees.
"30 minutes later." Now comes the moment of truth, Gina. Let's take a look.
Ooh. Oh, I might have taken on a smidgen earlier. Ooh, this one looks perfect. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And there you have it. This is going to be a big, yummy meal.
Wait a minute, so how many of those do I get?
You get 3 of them.
3? Do you get 3?
And I get 3.
Perfect.
Yay!
Thanks.
Vegging out. Thanks for watching. Please click to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we post new Anchor Moments videos.